Hello, this is Michael Reid coming to you from Premier Martial Arts here in Marietta, Georgia. Wow, there's been a lot going on. I'd like to first say thank you to the Garza family and to Premier Martial Arts International for hosting a fantastic event down in Houston, Texas last week. It was my pleasure to be there. I want to also wish all of my students and families a safe winter break. And then I want to get to where we're at right now. This week, we have none other than Dr. George Xavier Love coming to town, Yao Shifu, the medicine man. Dr. Love will be sharing qigong and teaching about the holistic aspects of healing oneself this particular weekend. If you would like to sign up, please go to atlantaqigong.com, so www.atlantaqigong.com, and you'll get the opportunity to work with one of the world's premier healers and scholars of healing modalities. Keep in mind that oftentimes in the West, we just focus on symptoms and getting those symptoms treated. Very important from a holistic standpoint that we treat the whole body, the mind, the emotions, okay? And so that's what Dr. Love's going to be discussing this weekend. And so please join us for a fantastic weekend of training, healing, and with that I would add one love and terima kasih and aloha, and we'll see everybody soon.